Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to tap into this one psychological human trait that will allow you to make money whenever you want to make money, right? You are going to be what we call the money magnet, and it works every time, seriously. And no, by the way, this is not sorcery, although that could be fun, this magic sorcery to get. Let's not go into that. Let's do the concrete thing. So most of you probably watch countless videos online about people who are making money, and some of them are actually making money. Others are really not making anything. And that's okay. Some of you watch it for entertainment, and that's also okay. And you follow some gurus who promise you this land of abundance where you can walk on the beach for hours on end and sipping something from a coconut cup, and you're just living the dream, which the more I think about it, it's kind of depressing. You spend your life just sipping things at the beach, do nothing. Not for me. Yet once the reality hits, after you have followed these people who promise you the world, and you realize that, oh boy, this is not that, that doesn't work quite as well. Now there's this strategy that it's really cool that we all have. Now once you tap into this one psychological flaw, I would say, or human condition, then you will see that most of these things will fall into place. It becomes easy to give value and get what you want, which is money, build businesses that are actually sustainable. And it's very possible, but you have to understand this one thing. Before we go anywhere, make sure to smash that like button and go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you are new here. You know, I was thinking about this the other day, and I realized that, as humans, we all want something. You want something, that's why you're here. It could be just for entertainment, but I know that you probably want something better. You want to be able to build online businesses that generate something for your family, for yourself, and hopefully at some point to give you the freedom that you want. I'm not the one to promise you the island full of things and then it's easy, sit down, do nothing. That is just not realistic. Most of this stuff actually requires works. That is the reality. The human condition is that we always desire something that we don't have. We want something. This is why you buy stuff. You buy things. This is why you binge on watching things, TV or whatever it is that you're doing. You binge on food and all these things because we just want something. We want stuff. And so that is just a human trait that we all have. So the idea is that we all desire something we don't have. We desire to be able to do something that we can't do right now. Keep in mind that I'm talking about desire. You will see where this leads. Here's what people really want. At the core of everything, people want a community. People want to be heard. People want to be safe. So if you want to be able to make money and generate wealth, which actually gives you the freedom that you want, you have to remember these words. People have desires and they need help to get to those desires. So the idea is that you have to take them from their current situation to their desired situation. And once you understand that and you know how to bridge this gap, that is where your leverage is. So you see, it's not just about affiliate marketing or drop shipping or any other thing that's happening there. These things work, but all of that, if you think about it, they all come back to this thing called the desire. If you're doing affiliate marketing, which works, what do you think you're doing? Well, what you're doing is you're taking a desire and put in front of somebody who has that desire. So you're saying, this is what you want, come get it, and I'm going to help you get there. That's what's happening. So you can see that is what selling is all about. Then that's how you create wealth. You have to understand that. You have to understand that. I'll repeat, people have desires and your job is to help them get to that desire. Here's an example. Somebody can come to you and say, I want to learn how to draw. Well, their desire is to learn how to draw. So their current situation is that they don't know how to draw. What they want to end up being able to do, their desired situation is going to be being able to draw. So your job is to figure out a way to get them from here to here, get to their desired situation. And that, my friend, that's how Steve Jobs, Bezos, and all these great entrepreneurs, that is what they understand. That's why they are filthy rich. So in that case, about learning how to draw, you can create a course as an example, or you can create if you're good at drawing, you can create something that will help this person to get their desire. And you will be amazed how many people online are actually doing this. In fact, everybody's doing this, but there are people actually doing these simple things, teaching people very simple things, because that's their desire. It may be simple to you, but for people who want to have a desire, that's a big deal. They want to get from A to B. And there's so many people who are making a lot of money by actually creating something of value. They're not scamming people. They're not doing anything wrong, but they're just bridging that gap, and people are literally throwing money at them. That's it. Really. If you were looking for a secret on how to make money, well, my friends, I just gave you the secret. Now, the thing here is that even though you know the secret now, if it wasn't even a secret, but let's say it's a secret, you know that now. The thing is, you have to have what I call a winning strategy. What would be a winning strategy for this case? Well, a winning strategy would be to figure out what are people's desires. And how do you figure out? Well, you can go and ask people, you can do research, you can find what are the main desires that people have, and then go build a product that solves that problem. Of course, there are a lot of moving parts that you can do, of course, to make this actually work, which is why if you're interested, I'll be putting together a course that will show you exactly how all of that works, how to really put together something that will take somebody from A to B and leverage your skills that you already have or skills that you can go and learn so that you can make sure you can get people from A to B and get paid. Okay, if you're interested in that, I am thinking about putting together a course, so go ahead and follow the link in the description. That's going to be a mailing list where you're going to be added to that. And so as soon as the course is ready, you're going to be notified and you're going to get it at a huge discount because you've said yes, essentially. So give a thumbs up, subscribe if you like this content. I'm so grateful that you're here. And until next time, be well. Goodbye.